Pagdating naman po sa insured, sino ba itong insured, Kuya Mark?
Ang insured, siya yung a person na yung kanyang buhay, life, yung kanyang health, or yung kanyang property is covered. So, yun ang protected, yung kanyang buhay. Pwede kasi na, you're the policy owner. Policy owner ka, ibig sabihin, ikaw nagbabayad. Pero iba ang in-insured mo. Pwede yun. Pwede anak mo, i-insured mo, ikaw nagbabayad. Pero ang in-insured mo, anak mo. Pero ikaw yung beneficiary. Pwede ganon. Ikaw nagbabayad. Ang in-insured mo, anak mo. But ikaw ang beneficiary. Pwede yan. Kasi ang anak mo, you have insurable interest sa anak mo. You have insurable interest sa asawa mo. How about your girlfriend or your mistress? Do you have insurable interest? No. So therefore, possible ba denied ang insurance application mo? Kasi insurance kasi, ikaw nag-apply sa insurance company. So hindi ibig sabihin, nag-apply ka, pwedeng i-approve, pwedeng i-deny yung iyong insurance policy.
Ganun pala yun.